guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today's video, short and sweet. We're changing the wheel hubs on this Malibu. It's a 2010, no, this is a 2012. Let's show you. 2012 Chevy Malibu. That's what it looks like. If your car looks like this is a good video for you. What we're doing is we're changing out the wheel hubs. I got a report that on the last week that it was being driven, they started to get a little loud. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Right now, I have the car, I have it already apart. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you know how to take things apart. So I'm just going to show you the fast way of getting this done. First thing you do is you get the tire off. So you got the tire off. All right, once you get your tire off, then you're going to work on getting off your caliper. Caliper has two bolts. It's these two right here. I don't know why they're green, but I like the color coordination. Get that off is a 15 millimeter. So that goes with those two. These three bolts go to the back of your wheel hub. The wheel hub is a 13 millimeter. And now we get both of those, all three of those off. Then you have one more bolt, that's a 10 millimeter, which goes right here. And that hangs in this little deal right here. Just hook that in, bolt it down. Over here, you have your wheel speed sensor clip. This clips in to here. And then you plug that in to there. That's pretty much it. You get to the top bolt, right back here. It sits right here. The bottom one sits down here. Right there. Come over to the side where the tie rod is, and you'll see your other bolt, like right there. That's pretty much it. So as you can see, guys, this job is not that hard. You don't need a lot of tools. If you can go ahead and remove this all in one unit. First thing you can do is just loosen the caliper by pushing a piston in just a little bit. And then you can take your two bolts off, which is here and here, down here. Once you do that, the big nut, this guy right here, that goes there, that is a 36. I'm thinking it's a 35 because I have a little bit of wiggle room. And if you have a big fat impact like this one, if you have a big fat impact like this one, it's 1,200 foot-pounds of power. That'll save you a whole heck of a lot of time. So it took me maybe 10 minutes to get to this point. So from here, just take this, slide it out. Just like that. So that's how you get the wheel hub off. Like I said, you didn't need to see me take this thing apart because I'm sure you're more mechanically inclined to do that. That's why you're watching this video. You just needed a little help. So thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, comments, or you know, even faster way to get this off, then please share with everyone. Don't be stingy. And as usual, guys, keep wrenching. Love you guys. See ya.